We're good with it. Today, I'm finna show y'all a little something, man. What I've been working on. I don't know if I mentioned it. This weekend, I'll be in Nashville. Y'all know I'm always in Nashville, but this weekend is a special weekend. I'll be in Nashville doing a flea market. So if you in the Asheville, if you in the Nashville area, definitely pull up. I'll be at the fairgrounds. I'm gonna have all kinds of shoes, custom clothing, all kinds of stuff. Everything pertaining to my business and everything that I do, I have it there. But I want to show y'all some pieces that I've been working on throughout this time, getting prepared for this flea market and all that kind of stuff. So let's get it. Now you know it's been a while since I could just brag. It's been a minute since I can brag on my little team and stuff like that. So please excuse me, cause I'm not sorry. Them boys. Man, how about them Cowboys, man? Please just tell me, how about them Cowboys? You feel me? Bam! You know, yeah. It's just one of the little pieces, man. No, how about them boys, man? You feel me? We got the star on that guy. Hold on, let me show y'all it in its entirety. We got the star on that guy, man. You know what I'm saying? So these, I got a few of these. They'll be available if y'all pull up to the flea market. And we very creative, so we can't just stick to one. Bam! How about them boys, man? Can y'all tell me about them? Let me get you a little closer, man. What they say? They say America's team, don't it? You know, yeah. Hard. We do this. And if y'all ain't know, the hoodie that I have on, if you wasn't in the live and all that kind of stuff, I actually did this hoodie myself too. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look, you hear me? I hung the guy up and I airbrushed the joint and all that kind of stuff. So, you know, these gonna be available soon. I got everything in the works, but they're gonna be available soon. But for the next piece, we got this jean jacket. Bam! Now see, this one here ain't for everybody. You know what I'm saying? This is when you done stepped into another lane, like a whole nother stratosphere of that drip. You know what I'm saying? It take a special kind of person to be able to pull this one off. So I don't expect everybody to like it. I don't expect everybody to get it. But oh my goodness. I don't lie. This one might be staying with me. I'm debating. I don't know which one yet. And you know, I mean, y'all know who my favorite basketball player is. Not was, is. Bam! Big Kobe. Come on now. Yes, sir. Bean Bryant. Hold on, let me check out the sleeve work for y'all real quick. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got the Black Mamba on there, guy. In the ESPN font, you know, walking highlight. That what my dog was. And for the final piece, I'm gonna show y'all, man, you know, cause I got another video I'm about to work on today too. It just is what it is. Bam! Feed who? Hey man, BZ, get hit me! Come on, man, come on. Hey, look. Hey, you know, we still. Hey, don't play with them. I like to put this the year on that guy, but you know what I'm saying, I don't want to jump the gun. I ain't going to trip. I don't want to jump the gun, so. Yeah, but I mean, you know, how about them? Just another, you know what I'm saying, how about them? How about them Cowboys, man? My fellow Cowboy fans, please stand up in the comments it's been a long time since we could like brag and, you know, really be proud. I know each year y'all be feeling like that. The reason I say y'all is because I'm a realistic Cowboy fan. I know football and stuff like that, and a lot of Cowboy fans don't know football. So every year, you know what I'm saying, it's the same thing. This the year, this our year and all that. But this one kind of feel real different. It feel like that year that when Dez caught it, when they cheated us. You know what I'm saying? It actually feels better than that, honestly. You know what I'm saying? But don't get me rambling about my squad, you know what I'm talking about. Like I said, I'll be in Nashville this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So if y'all in the Nashville area, you can pull up, chop it up with me. I definitely, if you are in the Nashville area, I would really appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? Because I want to take pictures with you and all that kind of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Post it, get you on the vlog, because I will be vlogging out there. And all that kind of stuff, man. But make sure you like the video. And subscribe. Join the squad, you hear me? It's more heat on the way, man. I'ma keep on producing. Y'all let me know, man, if y'all wanna see me like actually make the stuff, because I have no problem showing y'all like how I do it and everything. But y'all let me know if y'all want to see some videos of like me designing clothes and customizing clothes and that kind of stuff. Y'all let me know, man, and I definitely would like to do it. I might end up doing it anyway. But if y'all let me like, oh my goodness, if y'all be like, yes, bro, go ahead and do it, I definitely make it happen sooner than later. But I'ma catch you in the next. You heard?